Hello friends, today we are going to bake an eggless butterscotch cake in OTG oven. I have Marque 33-liter OTG oven. In this video, I shall let you know the complete process, ingredients and the OTG settings to bake the cake. Let's go ahead and look at the required ingredients first. Required ingredients are 150 ml buttermilk, 150 grams powdered sugar, 200 grams of maida, that is all purpose flour, and 100 ml of cooking oil. Here we used sunflower oil. We also need 1 tablespoon butterscotch essence, half tablespoon baking soda, and then 1 tablespoon baking powder. Now take a bowl and add the maida, that is all purpose flour, and then the powdered sugar and mix it well. Then add the baking soda and the baking powder and a bit of buttermilk. Do not add the complete buttermilk, add a little bit of buttermilk and then you can gradually add it while mixing the flour. Now add the 100 ml of cooking oil that you have kept aside and mix it well. So while mixing you can keep on adding the buttermilk as per the requirement so that the batter should be as a fine paste. If you can see here, I am mixing it well, and if I find it a bit thick, I add a bit of buttermilk to make it to a fine paste. Now add the butterscotch essence to the batter. As you can see, the batter should be made as a liquidy paste, not a thick paste. The batter should be like that. You can pour the batter from this bowl to the cake mold. It should be in that level. So as you can see, it is a liquidy paste, not a thick paste. Now pour the batter into the cake mold and let it rest for some time so that the batter settles in the cake mold. While the batter settles in the cake mold, let's preheat the oven. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade in toast mode. That is, both the bottom and top heating rod should be on for a duration of 10 minutes. Once the preheat is done, let's put the cake mold inside the OTG oven and switch it on. Make sure that you wear the mittens while keeping the mold inside the oven, as the oven would be pretty hot. The settings for baking the cake is leave the temperature at 180 degrees, leave the oven in toast mode and set it for 20 minutes. Let's see after 20 minutes, if it is required, we will bake for 10 more minutes. First, let's set it for 20 minutes and see whether the cake is completely baked or not. We have just set the timer at 20 minutes. Now the timer is at 10 minutes. That is, the cake has baked for 10 minutes, and let's see how it looks inside the oven after 10 minutes. As you can see, the settings are the same and the timer is at 10 minutes. And this is how the cake looks inside the oven after it gets baked for 10 minutes. Now 20 minutes is almost done, and this is how the cake looks in the oven after baking it for 20 minutes. Now the oven has turned off after 20 minutes. Let's take the cake mold out and check if the cake is completely baked or not. To check if the cake is completely baked or not, we need to insert a fork. Before taking the mold out of the oven, make sure that you wear the mittens, as the oven would be pretty hot. Now just pull the mold out, insert a fork and see if the batter sticks to the fork. If the batter still sticks to the fork, then that means the cake is not completely baked. Put it inside the oven and turn on the oven for 5 more minutes. Here we are turning it on for 5 more minutes. If the batter doesn't stick to the fork, then that means the cake is completely baked and you can take it out. In total, we have baked for 25 minutes with 180 degrees centigrade in toast mode. That is, both the bottom and top heating elements should be on. So let's see, now that even that 5 minutes is getting completed. Once that is done, let's take the cake out of the oven and I will show you how the cake looks once it is baked for 25 minutes. So the oven should turn off anytime soon. So now yes, so the even first we baked for 20 minutes and then for 5 more minutes again. So in total 25 minutes the cake is baked. So take the mold out, make sure that you wear the mittens while taking the mold out, as the oven would be pretty hot, and let it rest for some time. Once the mold is cold enough, keep a plate under the mold, turn the mold upside down and give gentle taps on the bottom of the mold so that the cake falls down, and this is how the cake looks once the baking is done. Please do post your queries as comments. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further interesting reviews, updates and videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.